I've got an important job for you. How important? Very important. I need you to set up a new office in Singapore. I don't live in Singapore. Okay, it doesn't have to be Singapore. Just set up a new office somewhere. Anywhere that's not here. Are you trying to get rid of me? Yes. To set something up means to create or organize it so that it's ready to use. For example, you can set up a business, set up an office, or set up a meeting. How much would it cost me to take over this company? Why don't you make me an offer? Okay. Here you go. £23. Yeah, that's all I've got. I think you need to save up a bit more. To take over means to take control of something. For example, one company can take over another company, or a new manager can take over a team. I've decided to step down from some of my responsibilities. Responsibilities? Yeah, making the tea. But that's all you do. Not anymore. To step down means to leave an important job or position. For example, a manager, president, or CEO might step down from their role. I think it's time to hand over leadership of this project. Wow, this is a big moment. It sure is. Do you know anyone who could do it? Oh. I thought you were going to ask me. That'd be silly. I need someone competent. To hand something over means to give control or responsibility to another person. For example, a manager might hand over a project to a new team leader. Can you look after the office when I go to the bank? I don't know. What should I do if someone comes in? Don't worry, that's never happened before. Well, in that case, I suppose I can do it. Great. To look after someone or something means to take care of them. For example, you can look after a child, a pet, or even an office. Can you deal with this complaint? Sure. Good work. To deal with something means to handle it or take action to solve it. For example, you can deal with a complaint, a problem, or a difficult customer. Shouldn't we start building up a client base or something? Well, that is your job. What have you been doing? Well, I've been waiting for you to tell me what to do. See? Well, I think you should start building up a client base. Got it. And how do I do that? To build something up means to gradually increase or develop it over time. For example, a company can build up a client base, build up experience, or build up trust. If we don't get a client soon, we'll have to start winding down operations. Well, that should be pretty easy. There's not a lot of activity to wind down. Yeah, basically means going home. To wind something down means to gradually reduce or stop it. For example, a company might wind down operations before closing completely. Have you ever thought about expanding the workforce? Tried, but it's not easy to hold on to talent in this market because you've got no money to pay them. That's not the only reason. To hold on to something means to keep it and not lose it. For example, a company might try to hold on to talented employees or loyal customers. How was the conference? A real eye-opener. They brought together a lot of the top leaders in the sector. Didn't you feel a bit out of place? No, not really. I was serving the drinks. To bring people together means to make people come together in one place or for one purpose. For example, a conference can bring together experts from different companies or different countries.